story of this bike's life. She's always running low. The perils of having such a small tank. Anyway, what is cracking, guys? In this one I'm going to go for a ride with one of my mates. He's got a Buell, which is like a Harley sports bike, like a naked sports bike. I've never ridden one before. They do look pretty cool, but I'm just going to meet up with him at the service station because this bad boy needs some fuel. I really wouldn't mind upgrading and getting a bigger tank. It's just that it'll cost you an arm and a leg to do it. Who knows, I might do it in the future. Anyway, there's this bike's second home, the fuel station. So let's fill her up. Jesus, what are they doing to the joint? What's up, man? How you doing? Alright, I'll follow you, man. I was saying to him when we pulled up that on the way back in after our ride we'll swap bikes and he can give this a test out and I can give that a test out. He's never ridden a 2019 Softail Street Bob and I've never been on one of those beasts, so it'll be good fun. But anyway, we'll just go out the road, try and get some nice scenic drone shots, and I'm curious to test out this bike without a fairing because it's been a long time since I haven't had a fairing on the bike. And the reason why I've taken the fairing off is because I'm going to go with some different bars. I'm over the T-bars, sort of steering away from the club style look, being the T-bars and the fairing. Want to go with some ape hangers. I'm thinking 12-inch ape hangers, just so I don't have to change out my cables and my wiring. But the bars I'm looking at are DNA Monster bars. They've got a 12-inch rise. They're 1.5 inches thick, and they look pretty mean. But yeah, just in relation to those DNA Monster ape hanger handlebars, if anyone watching this vid's got them, just drop a comment below and let me know what you think of them, pros, cons. So with these bars, the rise height is 13 inches, so I've got the Bum King 10-inch risers and then the CR high bend bars, and I really love the height of these bars. They're perfect, and I really don't think 1 inch less if I go with the AP handlebars is really going to make that much of a difference. I should rename my YouTube name to The Indecisive Man, not the Ginger Beard Man, because I'm constantly changing my mind, wasting money, spending thousands on the bike. I hope my wife doesn't watch this video because she'll rip into me. I'm always telling her, no, I'm happy with what I've done on the bike, I'm happy where it's at, and then like a month later I change my mind and always lose money. Looks like the house out of Jumanji. What's he slowing down for? Oh, cattle. I was about 100 meters off and I couldn't even see the bloody cattle because the sun's in my eyes. Thank God he saw it. It's good to see, because we've had so much rain, there's plenty of feed on the side of the road for the cattle. Good to see. Homeboy's repping those camo pants. He's practically invisible on that. I thought the aim was to be seen on the bike. Oh, classic. It's got to be the dodgiest bridge in New South Wales. Looks that old. Would have been around from when they had a horse and cart. Jesus, I just fell into the middle. Fuck me dead. I heard that one biker fell off there and broke his leg. Wasn't me. Anyway, we'll pull up here and get some nice shots of the drone. God, that's a dodgy bridge. It shot me down into the middle of it.
Yeah.
Be a good spot here to get some shots of the drone. Alrighty, we'll swap beasts over. I'll have to give him my key fob. There you go, mate. Whack that in your pocket.
The check engine light might come on. That's normal.
Okay. That's normal. What do you mean that's normal?
Recognise the oil breather mod.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right. What's the oil breather mod do?
I'm not sure.
Something. I've never been on one of these. Have you ever ridden a Harley?
No.
First Harley? They're pretty heavy, and that one feels pretty light. How do you turn this thing on? There we are. Whew. I think he's probably equally as nervous as I am. I've never been on one of these. But God, it's comfortable. Super comfy, that seat. I love the feel of this bike. God, it's cool. It feels so nimble, super sporty. It's got such a short wheelbase, it just turns on a dime. It doesn't have like rip your arms off power like a Super Sport 1000cc or even a 600cc. Just feels real smooth, not crazy fast, and doesn't have crazy acceleration, but it is quick. It's no slouch. God, this thing's cool, man. I want one. What do you think? Different, aren't they? I'll tell you what, this seat's bloody comfy. Cruisers are a hell of a lot different to these things. Alright, man, we'll go for a bit of a squirt out here. When someone says it's different, it's not necessarily a good thing. Cracks me up. I don't think Luke's going to say the same thing about the Softail Street, Bob, but I do love his bike. Get a bit of lean action going on. God, I love this bike, man. It's just such a mean looking bike. Alrighty, so my GoPro cut off obviously when I was riding the Buell. So we just pulled up, had a bit of a yarn about each other's bikes, and I don't think he likes that cruiser life. He loves his sports bikes. He just said the suspension on this is incredibly different, like it doesn't eat up the potholes and that like his bike does. And he said the peg scraping every time he hit a bend was a bit of a fright for him. So I don't think I've converted him to that cruiser life. But I gotta say, I love his bike. It was good fun. I love all types of bikes, man. I love dirt bikes, sports bikes, cruisers, everything, you name it, posties. Absolutely love my motorcycles. I don't stick to one brand or one particular style of bike. But anyway guys, I'm going to stop gibbering on, and that's going to do it for this video. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. We put the bike back in the shed. Yeah. You love your bikes too.